maintenance department?
And actually,
Yep.
you do too.
How's everybody?
All right.
Don't have a whole lot. Dump trucks, called today, still have no idea when they're gonna be in, so. They'll be a year and a half old when we get them, so,
Yeah.
for a new truck.
You have to
I don't know if
order
we get any
new
kind of
ones.
discount for that, but I
If they
don't
order
think.
new ones, it's price of new ones.
We can probably order a new one and get it quicker. Hendy did finish up that contract on all the inlets,
Okay.
so all them are done. Getting ready for Memorial Day at the cemetery, so if you don't get me to respond to a lot of things that you want done, you'll know why. Grass is nuts right now, so.
It is nuts.
Oh,
We can see it grow.
Watch it, we got,
It's unbelievable.
I believe 2 more summer help coming in next week, I hope. So we'll
Did
have,
you get the 2 already?
we got 2,
We got 2 more coming?
yes.
Oh, good, good.
So we should be good then, but hopefully they come in next week.
Did they get their applications now?
Do what?
We get their applications?
Yeah, we got them, and I think they've both been drug tested.
They
One
have.
just got back, and I don't know if the other one came back yet or not, but
They
I think
did.
one of them did, so.
Okay.
They're good to go, just,
Mhm.
they're still
Okay.
school or something.
Oh, I got you, okay.
Or they, at least are using that for an excuse right now, they don't wanna come over there yet. So, that is basically all I have. He did spray this Saturday for weeds. All these beds out here, I don't know
Okay.
how long it's gonna take to kill them, the weeds are bad out here, I know that.
Yeah,
I did put senior center on there and library and beds.
okay.
Go ahead and spray all them. And he's gonna spray the circle with the town hall.
Okay.
Any of your summer help,
Do we not,
Anyway,
any of your summer help show up yet?
2 of them, yeah. Yeah.
there's weeds at the town hall?
I'm gonna get him to spray the town hall.
Paul, didn't we use Crossroads to plant that?
The senior center's done it the last couple of years. I don't know, the guy,
Right, yeah.
staff,
Well, we only got Karen now.
yeah, I know, the senior center's done, Crossroads did it 4 or 5 years ago, but they kind of
They've done it
stopped
the last
that
couple years?
place. Yeah,
Karen,
the last 2
the
years,
last couple years?
yeah.
Karen, Sissy, and Marcia. She had a little bit of help.
Tell Marcia we got a volunteer job for her.
You probably would love that.
We can look at.
There probably
I can
needs
ask
some-
Lori and Julie and I can help.
There
them.
probably needs to be some topsoil put in there, isn't it kind of getting down low?
I don't know, I have to check it.
I'll look at it, let me know. I can ask Lori and
Yeah.
the beautification committee and we can go down there and knock it out in an hour or 2. Should be able to. How long did it take you guys? It's not very long.
Oh, it doesn't take very long.
Yeah.
It doesn't take very
Yeah, we
long.
can
The
do
3 of
that.
us.
If you haven't sprayed it and then put topsoil on it afterwards, then we'll do that.
What's raining now, so.
Once you do the planning, make sure you let the gal next door know, cause the gal that lives in the apartments, she volunteered every summer to take care of watering it. We just put the hose out
What's her
there.
name?
Vera?
Vera
Vera.
Sealy, Vera Sealy.
I do not know her. Do you know her? John?
Yeah.
You mind stopping and
Yeah.
talking to her? Okay. All right, any questions for Mr. Miller? All right, well, thank you.
Yep.